We have ACIU. This is a stock that I like. Today we see that he had a very nice set of formation on the candle. Very nice increasing volume. Cross over the Bollinger Band right here, as you can see the blue arrow. And it was trending over the 50 period moving average, finding a base since back here, with a nice resistance in this blue trend line here, a couple of different levels of resistance, and today we were able to break that. The 100 period moving average was a very important resistance here, and today we were able to cross it on increasing volume. So I will be paying attention on this name for the next couple of days because we have no resistance all the way to 990. So we have a very nice pocket, a very good range here to be able to find good amount of profit. So I don't think it's going to move like in one day, although it can happen. We've seen stocks move like crazy before, so I will not get the idea of getting all the profits only one day to fill up this pocket, although it can happen. But I will be paying attention on this stock